Hello, I'm Emily. I talk about travel, remote work, and life in San Francisco. I'm going to talk about how much groceries cost. I like ordering in bulk online to save money and time. I do not have a car, so we usually walk or Uber to get groceries. If you're in San Francisco, here's a great way to save money on groceries if you want to buy online. You do need to order over a certain minimum to get free delivery, but usually it's just $49. For context, I am in an Asian American household. I am Asian American, my boyfriend is Canadian Asian, and both of us just really like eating American food mixed with Asian food. So one of the things that we do when we go buy groceries, we will go to Trader Joe's, which is our local grocery store, or we will buy things from Weee, which is an online grocery store that basically you can get stuff from Filipino markets, from Japanese markets, Korean markets, and Chinese markets, and there's probably a lot more that I don't even know about because there's so much stuff. So I spent $85, $98 on this entire package. I'm assuming that it's probably gonna last us at least 2 weeks or so. Bok choy. Look how much bok choy they give you. Great for soups, stir fries, or even with noodles. I bought 2 of these. I'm gonna use this in my sundubu. This is probably one of my favorite kimchis out there. I used to get one of the really big containers, but because I'm the only one usually eating kimchi here, this is probably my favorite. So this is a great brand. I definitely make kimchi fried rice with this as well, or just as a side dish. Look how much broccoli this is. This is a lot of broccoli. Do you see how cost efficient this is? All this broccoli, there's like 4 heads here. I'm not a Weee ambassador, but sometimes I feel like I should be. One of the things that is really nice is they give you these ice packets. I usually donate them or use them for like picnics and stuff like that. The sundubu tofu kits, which are really good. They're super easy to make. Usually I just put some meat in it and zucchini and mushrooms. Tastes delicious. Oh, I am Taiwanese, so I get these little silk softened tofus. I cut up the soft tofus. I put like soy sauce, sesame oil, green onion, and garlic. And that entire combination is so refreshing and so good. I got shrimp chips for my boyfriend. These are for me because I like the garlic spicy ones. Last time I ate all the shrimp chips and I didn't save my boyfriend any, so that's why I bought him 2 bags. Got some Spam from kimchi fried rice. I actually feel like it's cheaper when you buy it from Weee. Spam is so expensive. I feel like when you buy Spam from grocery stores, it's usually like $5 and I'm waiting for it to go on sale, so Spam is good. I think this is a gift that they gave us for free because we spent over a certain limit, but yo, this is hella cute. 9-year anniversary. I didn't know Weee was around for 9 whole years. Before you guys ask, yes, I am sitting on the ground, but don't worry, we have a robot vacuum and it cleans everything super thoroughly. So my knees are tired. There's no chair that probably like sits me here. So I'm just gonna sit on the ground and continue sharing all this stuff. Ooh, this is something that I wanted to try for a while. It's gyoza leek. We have a lot of dumplings at home, and the reason why, it's just so easy to make. It's nutritious. It usually has some sort of protein and veggie in it, so this is one that I've been dying to try. I have been eating these since I was a kid. It's from Yoshinoya. My mom used to take me to the Yoshinoya's stores, and I would get this over rice. So the fact that they have this now in like frozen packet forms is great. I will say the meat is a bit thicker and like fattier, so just a heads up if you're looking for like more lean protein. But these Yoshinoya beef with onion and sauce are super easy to just heat up and eat with over rice. And then I tend to cook it more with like onions or just like other things of substance like mushrooms or whatever, and then you just like throw it all in. We did buy a massive bag of jasmine rice, the 3 Ladies brand, because this is the one that's legit. I will also say that hauling rice up certain hills is just tough. It's just tough work. So that's why we order rice through online delivery. Edamame's easy to eat, nutritious, and just sprinkle a little bit of salt. This is really interesting. So this is the frozen seaweed salad. I love this. Unfortunately, the one at Costco is just like way too massive, and this is just a better size for us, to be honest, because there's only 2 of us. I'm gonna leave it in the refrigerator instead of the freezer. Last but not least, this is actually my favorite mandu. Also dumplings, Korean dumplings filled with beef. It's so juicy, it's so sweet and tender. I would highly recommend getting this or trying this. So this is actually really good. I am someone who likes efficiency, so I don't like going to the grocery store multiple times a week. I think being able to deliver everything in one go is just the best way, especially since my boyfriend and I work from home. We want things that are like easy to make, easy to cook, because time is money and money is time and time is pizza, whatever Aubrey Plaza says. But I've just been feeling burdens of like life admin and like household items kind of like creeping up. So anything to kind of just make things more efficient is like what I'm optimizing for now. I refuse to pay for like meal prepping things. Maybe I'll get there one day when I have kids or I really need to, but it's just not my thing. I'd rather cook my own food right now. Wow, we have so many vegetables. I think one of my qualms as well of living in a high cost of living city is that things are just expensive. I know things are expensive, but if there's any way that I can save money on certain groceries, you know I will do that. And I feel like being able to buy in bulk, whether it's at Costco or through Weee, those are the things that I would personally do. It kills me to go to Safeway and buy things that are like 3x the price, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, right? I will say they do give you a lot of packaging, but this is environmentally friendly. It's green sustainable film. The way that I view food and certain nutrition has really evolved. I think before, when I was young, I would exercise maybe 2 to 3 hours per day. Wouldn't really care about nutrition or anything of that sort. And I would just eat whatever I could, right? Because I was young, I had a high metabolism, I was working out all the time. But then nowadays, I hear of my friends having high blood pressure, they have to take certain pills or things like that. I'm like, I don't want that, and that scares me. So it's definitely a new thing to be more aware and thinking about like what I'm eating, what I'm putting into my body, how I'm exercising. These days, I'm usually optimizing for like a protein, a vegetable, and then drinking lots of water. It's very simple. Oh my God. Most of my friends will be eating things from Trader Joe's, like the mixed salads, and then like shaking it up and then eating it. Or they probably will eat out, etc. But the thing is, eating out in San Francisco is super expensive, especially with like inflation and tipping going up to like 18 to 20 to 30% sometimes. I know, it's crazy. So we do tend to eat at home more. I'm curious to know where you guys get your food or where you're buying your groceries. Let me know in the comments below and if you'll ever use Weee. All right, bye guys.